So Apple completely blew us away by introducing the next-gen iPad Pro, which is now powered by the M2 chip. It doesn't stop right there, as tons of pro-grade features such as ProRes video capturing, super fast wireless connectivity, and apps like DaVinci Resolve have also made their way into this next-gen iPad Pro. On the other side of the spectrum, its Windows counterpart Surface Pro 9 has undergone plenty of performance bumps and design upgrades as well. To help you decide better, in this video, we're going to compare them side by side and figure out which one makes more sense. As mentioned earlier, the brand new iPad Pro now ships with the M2 chip out of the box. With an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, we already know how capable this chip is when it comes to performance-intensive tasks such as 3D rendering and video editing. But what really changed the game is Apple's software integration into the latest iPad Pro. DaVinci Resolve is there for color correction and video effects, while Octane X will completely utilize the M2 chip's power to aid creators in 3D projects. With up to 16GB of unified memory and 2TB of SSD storage availability, there is lesser room to complain here. Not gonna lie, these are quite welcoming improvements coming from Apple that most professionals will reap the benefits from. Moving on to the Surface Pro 9, this 2-in-1 is now available with 12th-gen Intel chips such as the i5-1235U and the i7-1255U, along with Microsoft ARM-based SQ3 processor as well. System memory goes up to 32GB, while users can also get it with up to 1TB of internal storage. With these on board, the Surface Pro 9 can be quite a versatile machine to accomplish a variety of tasks pretty easily. Whether it's day-to-day browsing or working on resource-heavy tasks, Pro 9 seems powerful enough to ace through all of it. Talking about resource-heavy tasks, the ProRes video capturing on the M2 iPad Pro is on another level. It's like walking with a movie studio in the grips of your hands. This is achievable with the 12-megapixel ultra-wide lenses on the back, combined with iPad OS 16 and M2's hyper-fast image processing. While the cameras on the Surface Pro 9 can't be labeled as professional grade, it can however record 4K videos and has that auto-framing awesomeness that will come in handy in virtual meetings. Display-wise, both these devices support up to 120Hz refresh rate, but unfortunately, the M2 iPad Pro houses the same panel as its predecessor with a native resolution of 2388 by 1668p and 264 ppi density. Surprisingly, the Surface Pro 9 with a display resolution of 2880 by 1920p and 267 ppi of density has a slight upper hand over its Apple counterpart. Needless to say, the M2 iPad Pro is brighter due to its 600 nits of peak brightness, while the 451 nits on the Pro 9 can also get the job done. To cut things short, the Pro 9 is sharper, while the new iPad Pro is more vibrant. But what really caught our eyes is what the Apple Pencil can do in the new iPad Pro. It's now more precise and also gives a preview of the nib size. Hell, you can even take a specific object and pull it out as a PNG to be used separately. The 11-inch iPad Pro with the basic feature set costs around $799 that can go all the way up to $2099 with all the specs maxed out. As for the 12.9-inch model, the base version retailed for about $1099 with the maxed out version having a price tag of $2399. And as for the Surface Pro 9, it starts at $1,000 which can go all the way up to $2,600 if you decide to max it out. Keep in mind that you have to pay additionally for the folio case and keyboard as well as the stylus pen for both of these devices. Everything considered, the M2 iPad Pro is definitely a device made for professional editors, while the Surface Pro 9 is focused more on productivity and entertainment. The ecosystem also needs to be considered if you're planning on going for either of these two, as they heavily rely on it. So, that was all about the M2 iPad Pro versus Surface Pro 9 debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.